this video, we're going to teach you how to synchronize your 911 using Homelink to your garage door. This works for 911 models from 2020 to 2024. Before you begin the Homelink process, make sure you're in Park. We're going to begin by selecting the Homelink button here, and then configure new profile. Now, you're going to take your garage door remote, and you're going to hold it at a little bit of an angle, close to the screen. Hold that button down. There you go. The configuration of the remote has been successfully completed. It's identified that this is a rolling code system, and we can continue the synchronization. Let's hit next. Okay, so we're here in the garage with our garage door unit. Now, you may have a unit on the wall here, but you may need to program on the actual garage door opener unit. Make sure you check out your instruction manual for those instructions. Now here, we're going to select Menu. We're going to go down to Program, select Enter, and we're going to go down to Remote. Now, it may say Learn, it may say Programmed, it may say a wide variety of different things. For this, we're going to select Enter. Now I've got 30 seconds to get to the vehicle to synchronize the two. Okay, now I'm going to hit Send Signal. It's asking, did the garage door move? For this time, it did not. So I'm going to select No Repeat. Select Send Signal again. There we go. The garage door is closing. Okay. So now that we've got our Homelink button working, let's add a location here. And then we'll change the name to Home. Select OK. And then Next. Your Homelink profile has been successfully created. After you've got Homelink programmed, what will happen because you have this location programmed is a pop-up show up here at the bottom of the screen. So when you get close to your garage door, all you have to do is select that to open your garage door. Another way to use Homelink in your 911 is through the programmable keys. Here on the steering wheel, you have one programmable key, and you also have one here on the center console. Let's use the one on the steering wheel. I'm going to push and hold the programmable button on the steering wheel. You'll see this pop up in the PCM that says Change Button Assignment. I'm going to select that. And then we see here Steering Wheel button. Right now it's set to the Sport Exhaust. We're going to change that to be Homelink. There you go. You see it at the bottom. Use Homelink. We're going to select that. Back, back, back. Now when you select this, it will open the garage door. You now can use Homelink in your new 911.